Uh, I'm sure most of us are been aware of this news, where Hindenburg has certain allegations against SEBI chairman and her husband. And in fact, before this, the Hindenburg mentioned these were the allegations. So typically, they're talking about the conflict of interest because in 19 he was Dhawal was appointed as senior advisor to Blackstone, and on his appointment, the Blackstone group was also immediately added to Madhur Bhai's list maintained with SEBI, and she also has seemed to have spoke about rate, uh, which is a couple of times. So a lot of allegations, not against any particular stock, but against SEBI itself. So Hindenburg has not really found any stock, and there are a lot of already, the fund managers, the SEBI, they already are, you know, discarding or these allegations as baseless. While we're talking about that, a couple of things I want you to note. Market was uncertain. It made high of, I mean, the India VIX made high of 22, 23. Post that has been coming down. And Friday, we saw the Sensex was not really moving anywhere. Of course, we did have a couple of trades. We made some profit in Bank Nifty, but in Sensex, mostly it was not a very dry day. Uh, so we have positions. We have shorted Nifty 24,500 call and 24,250 put weekly expiry, and we have bought 24,500 call and 24,250 put monthly expiries. So as a hedge. So we will see how it goes tomorrow. How the impact of this uh, allegations can be on the market. So here I have this is the last video which was made on last basically the levels which were made on last Thursday, where I mentioned 24,490 we would look for shorting. Market did not really come near that, it was just stuck in this range. Good thing is it came out of this triangle pattern and was stuck here. So tomorrow we need to see whether price will touch this or move below 24,200, which is my sell zone. So below this, I'm expecting market to test 24,100, and if market sustains below 24,082, then we can expect 24,000 also. This is the view of Nifty. Let's come to Bank Nifty. If price gets into this range, then I might expect price to be kind of stuck. However, if price is able to move above 50,000, then I will look for targets of 51,166. So depending on the price action, I always mention this in my previous videos also. Uh, if price moves like this, then I will look for loss. For targets, I think I will look at targets here of 50,861 or 852 and maybe 51,300, 51,130 or 170 also. Provided market is able to move here, and if it is, one thing I can say is this level, if price moves like this, we will easily hit this level and maybe we may hit this, or the other chance is that price can come down like this too. Below this level of 50,180, if price moves down in this manner which I have mentioned, then we may expect 49,966 also. So we will have to see how market or bank nifty behaves tomorrow. So for this, I will primarily looking at the data of the FIs, the algo trades, sorry, the algo data basically is something which will help me to algo data, the live data of the algos, or even the uh, data which gets punched in the futures market. This will help me based on the aggressiveness of the data. I will be able to decide whether market is bearish or bullish. So just watching at the charts, the patterns will not help. I will be looking at these data, which are paid tools, which we will be active during the live market hours and gives us a decision to whether to go long or short. These are the levels which I'm looking for tomorrow. Bank Nifty above 50,500 call. If it moves above 433 or 440, I will look at targets of 480 to 540 also. 50,500 put above 423, I will look at targets of 470, 500 also. Divis Lab, I am slightly looking at this 48,000 put. If it moves above 92, then I will expect targets of 115 to 130. MGL 1800 put above 58, we can expect targets of 70. IRCTC 920 above 28 can be expect 30 plus. Cipla 1580 above 33 can expect targets of 45 plus. Asian Paints 30,000, 3,040 call about 74 can expect targets of 80 plus. Each Motors 4850 above 122. So this there's a particular rule which we follow, which I will be talking about. If somebody wants to learn how to analyze this data, the algo data, then you may join our uh, classes, or basically we will not exactly classes. Help you learn. We will help you to learn to analyze this data. We'll help you to understand the data, the chart patterns, and how the combination of this can give you effective trades setups. Because if there is a proper trade setup, when I say proper trade setup, your risk should be 1%, your reward should be 2, which is good. So basis your analysis, you can decide on the number of lots. You can go huge quantity when you are very confident on your trade setup. So if you're expecting targets of 100 plus in bank nifty, then this will be ideal. So we are tomorrow is also bank expiry. So very important levels which I'll be looking at is 57,600, 57,884, 57,240, 57,107. So these levels we will decide. These are our H levels or the magic levels. We will decide which side the market can take, and we will basis this. We will look at what profits can be gained. Mid cap has been slightly bullish. If you look at the charts, it is almost at the bullish range. It in fact made a breakout here above this level, could not but and gave us a good solid profit in one candle from 12,660. It hit 12,700. So just one candle. This, as I said, these are magic levels. Above this level, I'm bullish. Below this level, I'm bearish. Again, this level, I will be bullish. You can call it as a support, the supply, demand, whatever. But as I mentioned, for me, the algo trades, the live data will help me to decide what to take. Whether I should go breakout here, can also take puts. or pull back, we can even go longs. So basis the bearishness or bullishness, I decide to take the positions. So I hope you also would have noticed the other videos, or the already the media and the higher authorities are in criticizing Hindenburg for not you know responding to SEBI's notice, but coming back with uh, different what do you say uh, allegations against SEBI now. So this looks like a very different game. Let's not uh, uh, get the fear out of these allegations and lose focus on the market. I've shared you certain stocks options. You may, if you're keen to understand how to trade this, how to trade them, you can please connect on our contact numbers, which I have shared on the description. So thank you all. I love you all. Take care. Good night, and all the best for tomorrow.